Hello, welcome to another interesting video on my channel. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate how to integrate Coinbase Commerce payment gateway with J2Store. J2Store is one of the best shopping cart and e-commerce extension for the Joomla CMS, and it is free for most part. You can download it for free and install on your Joomla website. Okay, and then Coinbase Commerce is a cryptocurrency payment gateway that enables you to accept some of the best and popular cryptocurrencies on your website. With Coinbase Commerce gateway integrated to your website, you can be able to process payments in some of the best and popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC coin, Litecoin, DAI, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so to integrate Coinbase Commerce payment gateway to your J2Store website, the first thing you do is to go to j2store.org and then hover your mouse over the extension menu, then click on payment plugins. Now on the payment plugin page, simply enter Coinbase in the search bar and click the Go button. This will bring up the Coinbase Commerce plugin for J2Store. Okay, you then click on the Read More button. Now this will bring you to the Coinbase Commerce plugin page. Alternatively, you can use the link in the description of this video to get to this page without wasting much time. Okay, on this page you click on the download button here. This will take you to the third-party website where you can download the Coinbase Commerce Payments plugin for J2Store. Simply click on the Download Now button here, and then on this page you enter your details. Okay, here you enter your email address, then enter your password, and enter your password again, and enter your first name. Then select your country from the drop down here. Then choose your license depending on the number of websites where you want to install this plugin. If you want to install it on a single website, you select the single website option. If you want to install it on two websites, you select the two websites option. Okay, then scroll down and select your preferred payment method. Then tick the privacy policy checkbox if you're okay with the privacy policy on this page, and then tick the accept terms and conditions checkbox if you accept the terms and conditions on this page. Then check the I'm not a robot checkbox and click the process button here. Okay, this will take you to the gateway of your preferred payment method. Okay, after making payment, you will be brought back to the website where you can now access your download. You can log into the website and navigate to the download section to download the extension you just paid for. Okay, so let's click on the login link here to log in with the email address and password we created earlier. Okay, and click the login button, then click on the subscription download here, and here is the plugin you just purchased. Click on the download button here to download the plugin. Okay, then save it on your computer. Okay, next you go to the admin side of your J2Store powered website and log in. Okay, now you go to extension, manage, and click on install to install the extension you just downloaded. Now there are two ways to install the extension. You can drag and drop the extension to install it, or click on the browse button here to browse and locate the file. So here I will drag the zip file that I downloaded just now to this interface to install the Coinbase Commerce plugin for J2Store. Okay, the installation of the plugin was successful, so we'll go to J2Store, then setup, and then payment methods. Okay, here we locate the Coinbase Commerce payment method and we click on the link here to configure it. First, we change the status to enabled in order to display the Coinbase Commerce option in the storefront. Okay, then under payment option title, you enter the title that you want to display in the storefront. Okay, then under display logo, you can select the logo that you wish to display for the Coinbase Commerce payment option. Okay, then under Coinbase payment method, you select the option you want to use. If you select the redirect of the site payment method, your customers will be redirected to a checkout page on the Coinbase Commerce website where they can make payment for their order. But if you select the modal on the site payment method, your customers will be able to pay without leaving your website. Okay, so here we'll select the modal option. Then under Coinbase Commerce API key, you need to log into your Coinbase Commerce account and get the API key. So we go to Coinbase Commerce, and if you already have an account, you click the sign in button. But if you don't have an account, you click the get started button here, and you have two options, the self-managed and the Coinbase managed option. So you can click the get started button here and follow the instruction to set up a Coinbase Commerce account, and it is free of charge. There is no charge for creating a Coinbase Commerce account. Okay, for me, I already have a Coinbase Commerce account, so I simply click on the sign in button here. Okay, and enter my login details and click the sign in button. Okay, on the Coinbase Commerce account, we click on the settings link on the left side here to go to our settings page, and then we scroll down towards the bottom of the page. Here under active cryptocurrencies, you select the coins that you wish to accept for payments in your storefront. Okay, then you scroll down to API key section. Okay, if you have not created an API key, click on the create an API key link here to create an API key. For me, I have already created an API key, so I will click on the copy to clipboard button here to copy the API key. Okay, then I'll go to my website and enter the API key. Then under Coinbase webhook secret key, I'll go to the Coinbase account settings page and click on the show shared secret link here. Okay, here is my webhook shared secret, so I will click on the copy button here, then also go to my website and paste the webhook secret key. Okay, then here I will copy the Coinbase Commerce webhook URL for my website, then go to close this box, then I will click on the add an endpoint link here to add a new webhook subscription endpoint. Okay, then I'll click on the save button here. Okay, and here is the new webhook subscription endpoint that I just added now. Okay, so go back to our settings page. Then here under article ID, you select an article that you want to display to customers after they must have made payment. Okay, then under geozone, you select the geozone that you want the payment method to be applicable to. Then display text on selection, the text you want to display when customers select this payment method in the storefront. Under display text before payment, you enter the text that you want to display before customers make payment. Display text on after payment, here you enter the text you want to display to customers after they have completed payment. Then under display text on error in payment, here you enter the text you want to show customers when they experience error in making payment. Okay, under display text if customer cancels payment, here you enter the text you want to display when customers cancel payment. Okay, then under payment button text, you enter the text you want to display for the payment button. You can enter a language constant here and this will be translated, okay, depending on the active language in the storefront. Under debug, you leave it at no. Okay, then after you click on the save and close button to save the Coinbase Commerce plugin configuration. Okay, and the Coinbase Commerce payment method will appear in the storefront when customers want to pay for their order, so they can select the Coinbase Commerce option and click on continue. When they click on the place order button, this will pop up the Coinbase Commerce modal pop-up. Here they have the option to pay with Coinbase if they have a Coinbase account, or they can select any of the coins you enabled in order to pay with another wallet. For example, if they click on the Bitcoin option, here they have the amount of Bitcoin to send, and here they have the Bitcoin address where they can send this amount in order to complete payment for their order. Okay, so this is how to integrate Coinbase Commerce to your J2Store powered website. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you have gained any value from this video, please click on the like button below this video and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to know whenever I drop awesome video on my channel. So thank you for watching and peace.